How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have this 2010 Nissan Rogue, and if you see the interior, it needs a love. You see how everything is really dirty. So I'm just gonna give it a quick little detail in the inside. You can see all this is really dirty. So all that, we're gonna try to get rid of all that. Door jambs, seats, really dirty. So I'm gonna start cleaning everything with this product right here. It's gonna be nonsense. We're just gonna clean everything with the brush. Have a few microfiber towels. And if you wanna know how I keep all my stuff in the car, one of my friends gave me this bag, which is really good. I'm gonna try to find the link for it so you guys can have it. This one, I keep everything in it, all my products in there. I have a lot of products, and I have it on the car just in case that I need some. I have it right away. And at the end of the day, I just take it home because I don't want to left all this inside the car. Applicator pads, microfiber towels, those foams for the tire dressing, brushes, more microfiber towels, more brushes. This one is really good. I don't want to get the one from Chemical Guys because it's small. It's $50, which is really expensive. I get this one for free, so I keep everything in here, which is really convenient. We're gonna start cleaning the interior. I'm gonna start on this area right here. I'm gonna use the nonsense. I'm gonna use my brush and then microfiber towel. Before I start cleaning, I wanna remove everything from here. Make sure that I get everything out of the way. If you have a vacuum, that's gonna be the best way to start. Start with the vacuum. Make sure that everything is out of the way. In this case, I'm gonna remove everything, and with my microfiber towel, I'm gonna get all the little things out of the way so I can start cleaning and detailing this interior. So I'm trying to get much as possible with some disposable towels. I don't have a vacuum with me, which is gonna make everything so much easier, but I don't have it. So I just gonna get the loose stuff out of the way first. Once I get all that, start cleaning. But yeah, this interior is something else. Really needs some love. So we got pretty much everything out of the way. I put a little bit more product into this bottle, so it's not it doesn't have much water because this interior needs something that is really concentrate, strong to clean everything up. I'm gonna spray some into my brush first. I don't want to get it all over the place, but I'm gonna spray a lot, and you're gonna see the difference how it looks right now and how it's gonna look when I'm done. And here inside we can spray directly. I'm gonna grab my microfiber towel, give it a little wipe down. You can see all that. I still have some stains around here, so I'm gonna do it one more time. Imagine having a car that you never clean and you have it for a few years and you just throw a lot of stuff in it, especially if you are a smoker. The smell is gonna be really heavy inside, so this is gonna help on that. But obviously I know the owner is gonna keep smoking in here, but I just wanna do something to keep everything clean in here. Once I get this part done, I'm gonna move into the dash and do the same process. Here in this part of the dash, I'm not gonna spray a lot of product. I'm gonna spray some on my brush, but I just wanna get everything loose on all the small crevices, everywhere in here. I don't want to spray a lot because I don't want to damage something on the electrical. I just want to make sure they on all small crevices in here, all these, we get all the dirt out of the way. And if I want to go deep, I'm just going to spray some on my microfiber towel. But all these small parts, don't spray directly, don't spray a lot into your brush, just a little bit so you can get everything loose, and then you can remove it with your microfiber towel. Once you get that out of the way, clean it, and if you see more dirt or stuff in it, repeat the process. This area on the steering wheel, same thing. And if you want to clean it a little bit more, spray some on your towel. Make sure that you remove all this dirt, because I know that it's been a long time since this truck has been cleaned. If you can see right there, I went with my brush, microfiber towel. Everything looks super clean, a lot better than before. So now I'm gonna move into this area right here. Same thing for this area. This is a part that is really contaminated. I went everywhere with my brush. Now I just gotta go with my microfiber towel. You have a lot of scratches on this door, but what we're looking for is just to clean. Maybe I'm gonna do some protecting to eliminate this part right here, because this part is really damaged. If you see the difference with the VRP, everything looks really shiny and clean. You're not gonna eliminate the scratches 100%, but it looks a lot better, as you can see right there. Okay guys, so I run out of daylight like always, but if you can see the interior, after I clean it, I put some VRP just to finish it up, and if you can see, everything looks a lot better. On the seat, everything in the interior looks a lot better. You can see right there, it was a lot better than before. Not 100%, because this is really damaged for a long time of just a lot of stuff in here. This is the passenger side. Everything is just clean and shiny, protected. So nonsense, all-purpose cleaner, then my brush, finish it out with applicator pad and my VRP. Oh, just a little detail on the interior. Like I said, it's not like 100% perfect, but from before and after you can see the difference. This bag is really practical because I have everything in here, all the minor stuff that I use for detailing. So guys, I'm done with this. I just tried to bring you a little episode on detailing before Christmas, because I'm going on vacation. So I hope you like this episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.